GoHighLevel has been one of the skill I want to learn then. Oh, I'm not gonna lie. I was really thinking it's necessary. But right now I found it that it's one of the skill that is important, especially when it comes to um customer acquisition. So I started learning it last week with I did dynamics and it has been an amazing journey. I'm not gonna lie. So we've been taught so many things like email template creation, contact importing, how to import contact, how to create forms and all that. So our last class was how to design funnel. And to be honest, I haven't done this before. So normally I always use AI to create my funnel, to create my things. So I use AI a lot for most of the things I do so that to streamline my effort to make sure that everything I, I am doing is fast. But I just like let me just try and use and do it manually. So I started doing it manually, whereby everything I do, I didn't even use AI to do anything. The only thing I did outside GearShare was to number one, the header image. I had to use what's it called to create the header image. Canva. I use Canva to create a header image so that I can be able to get the gradient because I could not get the transparency that gradient beside it. So as you can see, everything you are seeing here is done manually from the header. As you can see, all the content, everything I did it manually. So I didn't. This is my first time. I haven't done this before. So I make sure that everything I do, I did not use AI. So and in fact, I love it. I love it. And so although there's a template that was given to us, so I was following the template so that I can be able to achieve it. So what I also want to be doing now, at least I would start to try practicing gradually. So also this picture you are seeing here, I use Canva to get this image because I could not, I don't know how I'm going to get it for using here. So instead of wasting that time, I just use Canva to create the image. So every other thing you are seeing here, I did them, you know, what's it called? Manually. So see the mobile view. So this is the mobile view so that it can be mobile responsive so that I don't want it to whereby at the end of the day it's not going to, be responsive on mobile. So this is just for me to I just created this for free. I don't for one of my clients. I have a client that I'm working with and they have it's a cleaning company. So I just again let me just do this for her. Yes, I'm going to send it to her and let her see how it looks like. So initially, I'm planning on introducing GoHighLevel to her. Maybe this may even convince her a bit to say that okay, GoHighLevel is very important. So as you can see, this is my journey so far, and I will keep on documenting everything I learn about GoHighLevel from henceforth. So we have a class today as well. So as soon as possible, I'm going to join the class, and also whatever I learn there, I'm going to also record the video and post so that you can see that okay, I'm trying my best to make sure I get it because as it is, it's either go hard or go home. So no dulling. So thank you, IJ Dynamic. So as you can see, this is the mobile view. So at least I try my best to make sure that everything is well. So I'm going to transport and save this. So then get it, I don't know, preview it to see how it looks like. So let's see. So now let's preview it so that you can see. So this is the preview. So it's loading. So this is how it is. This is a preview, as you can see. In fact, I'm super happy that yeah, this is my first time and I get this. So I believe if I continue, I'm going to be good at it more.